Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for an easy way to pay over time at Walmart? Here's how to use Affirm for your purchases both in store and online. Before heading to Walmart, visit affirm.com/Walmart to get started. Enter your total purchase amount and fill in a few quick details to apply. Once approved, receive a barcode and show it to the cashier at checkout. Easy as that. Shopping online, add eligible items to your cart and select Affirm as your payment option at checkout. Enter your details for a quick decision and choose the payment plan that works best for you. Once approved, once approved, complete your purchase and enjoy your Walmart shopping experience. With Affirm, shopping at Walmart is simple and flexible. Try it today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.